Hey, Scholera, the cruisegenius.com. This video sponsored by Gig Sky. If you're looking for a low-cost data plan when you cruise or travel overseas, go to gigsky.com. Then email me, slayer1961@gmail.com for a super secret link and promo code for 10% off your Gig Sky account. Hey, Scott, hey, what? Where are you, man? That's a beautiful beach. Are you in Jacksonville Beach? No. Are you down in Ormond Beach? No. Half Moon Cay? No. Ocean Cay? No. Yeah, actually, yes, Ocean Cay. I was gonna say Cocoa Cay. Yes, Ocean Cay. This is South Beach, Ocean Cay. Now, there are several, well, let me say this before I talk about the beaches. When you get off the ship, you've got to switch your Wi-Fi to the island Wi-Fi so you can, you know, still look at things that you would look on the Wi-Fi on the ship. And there's free things on the Wi-Fi, like, you know, your dinner times and booking certain things. So they do have Wi-Fi on the island, but you got to switch it from the ship's Wi-Fi. So we get that out of the way. Number two, you've got to rent a umbrella if you're going to South Beach or North Beach or Bimini Beach. You have to rent the umbrellas, and if you rent them ahead of time, it's $19, okay? But if you go to Lighthouse Beach, the umbrellas are free, but of course, Lighthouse Beach is probably the most popular beach, and everybody goes there, and it's right next to the ship. Okay, so back behind me are the restrooms, and over here is the beach shack, where you can get like a burger and a hot dog and stuff like that. And also the buffet, the lunch buffet is over here as well. Here's the little tram station right here, where you wait for the tram, and it comes by every 15 or 20 minutes, which is fine. But then you can rent a cabana if you want to, and they're a couple $100, I'll tell you that. A couple $100. There's a lot of construction going on the island because they're building more housing for the staff that lives here. And of course, mobility friendly. So let's get over here. Beautiful day here. You know, it's the end of October, so it's not 100 degrees out here, it's about 80. The beach shack. So if you just want like a burger or something quick, oh, here comes the tram. Yeah, let's go. Get out of the way. Oh my God, I'm gonna run there. So right here, oh, $12.95 here for something. That's the lobster roll. But I think you get free stuff too. That's a lobster roll. But here, look right here. So for free, cheeseburger, fries, hot dog, pasta salad. Open time 11:30. Brownies. So this is at the beach shack, and they have several of these locations around the island, around the Ocean Cay Marine Reserve. Careful, Scott. So here's another area over here. Bathrooms right over here. Hey, my friend. Good to see you. Good to see you. Very good. Good to see you. All right, we'll enjoy it. I'm going to steal your cart. So anyway, a lot of construction. But again, here's a little, I think this is called the lagoon here. So this is kind of nice. Oh, they've got the bar set up, getting ready. A little lagoon, a lagoon, a lagoon. Again, the calmer water for the little children, for the little 4- and 5-year-old, the little child. Who's little? The calmer water to splash and laugh and sing and dance. But anyway, Ocean Cay. Now you're gonna say, hey Scott, hey what? How do I compare the different private islands? Well, that's hard, because when you think of Half Moon Cay, you got to take the tender. You think of fun day at Ocean Cay, fun day at Cocoa Cay, very commercialized, lots of stuff to do, a lot of extra things. You can go up in that balloon thing, and there's lots of stuff you can do there. But it's an amazing island. And you know, a lot of people ask me about the these private islands, and I get it. People on the 18th floor of these corporate headquarters, hey, how can we keep some of this money in our pockets? And I get that. I get that 100%, because you go to a regular cruise port, and who's making the money there? Well, the people who are doing the tours and the excursions. And yeah, the private islands do get a cut of it, but by having a private island there, they're able to basically maximize the revenue. So here's a group of people. They're laughing, they're happy. A big group of people coming, happy, laughing. Big group, family group. Everyone's laughing. There's a little child right there. But anyway, North Beach, this is South Beach, I think. South Beach, Ocean Cay. Scott Lair, thecruisegenius.com. Like and subscribe.